Welcome to ACE Rate, our online rate indication system. At the top of the screen, you will notice the logo and name of the MGA, along with the name of your agency. Many of your binding authority E and S risks can be rated online and sent directly to an MGA underwriter for a bindable quote. In order to proceed, you must first have a relationship with the MGA you have selected. If you do not, you will need to contact them using the information at the top of the screen. By clicking I agree, let's continue, you confirm you already have a contract with the MGA and would like to start your online rate indication. On the left side of the screen is the navigation tree where you can select to start a new indication, retrieve an existing indication, view the help document, or see the library of supplemental applications. We have opened the GL screen for you so you can quickly start your indication. From the General Liability screen, enter your insured's information, starting with name, indication date, state, zip code, agency code. Select or change the appropriate liability limits. To add a commercial general liability classification, click on the plus. You can enter the name of the classification or the classification code. Then select from the drop-down menu. Enter the exposure percent of that classification, number of owners, and employee payroll. Then click Add Class. Repeat this process for all the classes you wish to add to your indication. Once all the classes have been entered, click Rate and you will have your total CGL premium. Then, click Next to continue. If you have property coverage to add, click on the plus and add it just like you added the liability information. If you do not have property coverage, you can click Next to continue. Inland marine coverage can be added the same way, or you can click Next if you do not have any inland marine coverage to add. From the Additional Coverage section, you can add specific coverages associated to the liability codes you have on this indication. Note that additional coverages are available. Please speak with your MGA underwriter for more information. If you do not have any to add, you can click Next. The Premium Summary screen will show you a breakdown of premium per line of business with a subtotal. It will calculate the surplus lines tax in most states, showing you the total premium. To complete your rate indication, click Next. The first option allows you to view the rate indication where you will find a breakdown of pricing, all of the coverage forms that apply, and any supplemental applications required. The next option, Email Indication to the MGA Underwriter, allows you to send an email to the MGA Underwriter to receive approval for this rate indication. When you send an email to the MGA Underwriter, you will have the ability to attach an application and other documents. In order to bind coverage on this indication, an underwriter from the MGA needs to review it first. The next option, Save and Complete Accord Application, will allow you to complete an accord application if you have not already completed one in your agency management system. The last option, Save Indication and Quit, will allow you to save your indication and exit the system. Remember, in order to receive a bindable quote, the MGA underwriter will have to review and approve your indication, so it is highly recommended you email the indication to the MGA underwriter. For further questions about ACE Rate, please contact an MGA in your area that represents Atlantic Casualty.